Here's my nice clean driveway. We'll see what it looks like later on, how much work I have to do. There's a driveway filled up with snow. Gonna have to shovel that, I guess. So we've got part of the shoveling done, but almost as soon as I shovel it, it fills back up. But at least there will be less accumulation, theoretically, in the morning. Here, done shoveling the driveway, so it'll probably fill back up. Must be 10 o'clock, Tuesday night. This is the mother of all blizzards. Well, I don't think so. But anyway, snow has filled up my driveway again, as I would have expected, and let's see if I can wage battle with Mother Nature and clear it off. So we'll see what it's like tomorrow morning. Never-ending battle. We're getting there, though. It's around 11 o'clock, Tuesday night. Finished shoveling the driveway for the third time today. Mastering Mother Nature. No, we'll see how long it takes to fill back up again. So here it is Wednesday morning. Left or 8 o'clock. Filled up again, the driveway. And I'm going to shovel it. So now I've got to shovel it again, and I'll probably have to shovel it again later. So there we go, a little bit after 9 o'clock, finished the shoveling. I'm pretty tired. I'm sweating. A lot of work. And I'll have to shovel again, I'm sure, in a little bit. Maybe later this afternoon. But that's the way it goes. Now, I've got to drive in all this snow to work. But that's done at least.